Hello, lovelies. Today I am collaborating with a fellow pen-loving YouTuber, Leanne Likes. She reached out to me asking if I wanted to swap some ink with her, and of course I said yes. We decided to kind of go for this cottage, cozy, boho, Christmassy palette. So I'm excited to see what colors she chose. Leanne is such a lovely person and I adore her videos, especially the ink comparisons. They're both helpful and very entertaining. I will leave her channel down below so you can check her out. I'm not sure when she's going to be posting the inks that I sent over to her, but when she does, I will make sure that I link her video down there as well. So as I open this box, I see that Leanne sent over some cute little surprises. I wasn't expecting this beautiful card from Baumkuchen. I really love the waves and the little paper sailboat. I actually have quite a few stamps in the paper sailboat, and as you guys know, I live by the shore, so it's so perfect. Okay, so I'm really excited to get into these inks because Leanne has some really good taste, so I have high expectations. The first one we're going to be swatching is Teranishi Opera Rose. My goodness, this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love it so much. It is a true rose color and it's very vintage looking as well. I love it so much. I know for a fact I'm going to be buying a bottle of this one for sure. And I already know which pen I'm going to ink this one in. The next color is Wearingeul 12th Night. And I've seen this one on Instagram a lot, and just look at that blue shimmer. Oh my gosh, this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous pink color, and the shimmer, oh my goodness. It's kind of like a cotton candy also, which I'll show you better in the close-up. I really love this one. I've been searching for a pink, and I did a pink comparison, but a lot of them were hot pinks, which I'm not really into. I like the softer vintage inks, but I find that they're hard to read. So this one is up there on the perfect pink ink for me. The next one is Robert Oster Van Pen 86. I actually remember when Leanne swatched this ink. Her family went to Vancouver and purchased this ink for her. I believe she said that this ink was special to her because of that, and also this ink is exclusive to the Vancouver pen shop, so I'm really excited that she included this ink sample in here. When I first saw it, I fell in love with the color. I love anything with an olive tone to it, and since this ink is pretty difficult to get here in the States, I am so grateful that she sent over a sample for me to try. Now I'm gonna have to hunt down a Canadian friend to send this over to me because I love it so much. The next color is Robert Oster Sydney Darling Harbour, and I like that name. It is a gorgeous blue color. I want to say it's almost like a spearminty teal blue color, and to be honest, it does remind me of the ocean, especially during the winter time. The ocean by our home isn't a very light, clear blue water. It's very dark and moody, and I really love this blue. It is beautiful. The last color that I have to swatch for you is Sailor Hara. This one has the most beautiful shading. And oh my goodness, this is the perfect purple. It's really nice for every day. I find a lot of purple is a little too light or almost black even, and this one has some gorgeous shading and sheening. Now, because I swatched these inks on a cream colored paper, I decided to go ahead and swatch them on some white paper so you could see the color difference. I swatched them on cream paper because that is what I use most of the time. And as I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to fill in this empty space with some stamping from Jesslyn Padilla. I really love her delicate stamps, so why not? I am also going to be showing you a close-up of these colors so you can really see how gorgeous they are. I really love Wearingeul inks, that gorgeous blue shimmer, and it also has some very nice shading to it too. That Opera Rose just shades so nicely. It's such a beautiful, unique rose red. Here is the Robert Oster, and look at the colors. It has so much depth to it, and I feel like the Robert Oster also has some dual shading going on. It has a little bit of gray to it as well. It's really a gorgeous color. I've never had a teal that I actually liked, so I'm really happy that Leanne introduced me to this color. Here is Hara, and you can see that gorgeous shading, and it does have some green sheen to it too. I feel like Leanne did such a beautiful job choosing these colors. And here are the ink swatches on white Midori paper. Let me know down below which ink sample was your favorite. I think for me, this is gonna be so difficult because I love them all. I feel like for me, I really love the Wearingeul, and I also love the Opera Rose and definitely the Van Pen 86. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button down below as it helps me out. And if you aren't already, consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.